Searching a string to find either a character or a set of characters is a common task performed on string objects. Let's see which string class methods can be used for this task.
There are two methods to use to search for a string: index of and last index of. Index of will find the first occurrence of a substring in a string or return -1 if it can't find it. Here's an example. So when we run this program, we see that it says it found Z at 38. Let's try it with a different string. Let's run the program again. And you see that it found the at position 0. Now, if you notice, the occurs twice. So another way to call index of is to give a starting position. So for example, we could say starting at position 1 instead of at 0. And then it found the at 32, right before lazy. Another way to find the last version of the is to use last index of. It's a capital I. There we go. Now watch. Same result. Because this time it skipped over the first occurrence and went straight to the last occurrence. You can also specify last index of to start at a position. So for example, let's change the to O. It's got to be in quotes though. Starting at position 20. I just arbitrarily picked 20. And I found the at position 17. Now, that's 17 from the 20 where it started from, which is kind of odd. Primarily use last index of on its own like this. Now, if it can't find a string, let's see what happens when we try that. Oh, there is a K. Let's think what letter is not in here. This is supposed to be all the letters, or most of them. Not an S. So run the program. Found S at -1. It returns -1 because -1 cannot be a character position. The first character position always has to be 0. And after that, it can go through the length of the string -1, but it can never be -1. So you've seen in this video how to do searches using index of and last index of. Both of them can either start at the beginning of the string and search through the whole string, or you can give both methods a starting position and it will start from there and ignore the positions before the starting position that you give it. But both methods are used to find substrings or single characters listed as strings in a full string.